Alright guys, we're about to stretch and salt this this fleshed beaver. But first we're going to use our beaver story stick, and this is the easy way. It's got 2 screws up here. Let's see, get you guys to show that. And you just hang the beaver from there, and wherever it measures to on the stick is what correlates with the stretcher here that we've got. That basically we just got a stencil and spray painted on a piece of plywood. That's what we found easiest. And so it correlates with that from XXL, XL, large, large, medium, medium, and small. So we'll stick this one on here so you guys can see it. So then you see that it goes right to that line right there, which is the large. The XL will be down here, the XX down here. So this is a large size beaver. So that's where we're going to be putting it on our stretcher. Let's see here, I'll angle this down so you can see it here. And it just goes in from XXL, XL, large, large, medium, medium, small, and then this would be extra small. So we're going to go large. So XL or XXL, XL, large. So that third one down. We're just going to take it over. And usually I like using finish nails and a hammer. That way I can leave a little airspace under it. But I didn't have any, so I'm going to be using a staple gun. So I'll go around the outer edge. We'll try to center that up. And I'll throw one in it there. Then you just kind of keep going around following your grid. And any stuff that's like that that's hanging off, after I get that on there before I salt it, I'll get cut off of there. So it's pretty straightforward. Once I got to there, I'll go down here at the center. Go ahead and get it in. And you're going to have to pull on it and stretch it a little bit. You know, that's why they call it stretching. If you're like me and using a staple gun, it's not preferred, but that's okay. But I will go back and put some that's half in it and half in the plywood there. That way none of that skin folds over and you don't get any fur slipping. Make sure that you get salt everywhere to it. Come up here and keep working our way. Alright, and there you have it. So I'm going to grab a blade real quick, trim some of this other off that's excess here. Then we're going to salt it up. So we'll be back with you guys in just a second. Alright guys, we're going to trim some of this off real quick. Put one in here. That should be good. Let's see if we get this off right here. Then we're just going to layer it up with some salt. And we didn't get it on video, but we did brush this fur out with a fur brush before putting it on here. And try to dry it out some. Pay close attention around your edges and go extra heavy there, because that's where you're going to get any slippage if you get any. Especially up here around the mouth where all that gum tissue was. We probably could have done a little bit better job up around there. And then right here around the leg opening too. And you'll let this sit, and then after it has a day or so, you'll come scrape it and resalt it, and scrape it and resalt it. And then we'll do a tannin solution, and we'll probably just do one of those commercial quick tans, to be honest with you, with this one. The other one we might do something a little bit different with. But one of these is just going to go up here on the outside of the walk-in freezer with the deer heads and the turkey fans. It's not really too big of a deal. Alright. So now we'll just let that sit, and we're going to do this other one. We appreciate you guys hanging out with us, and hopefully you learned something. If you got any questions, please drop them in the comments. I don't claim to be a professional trapper or really professional anything, but I like doing it and have learned some stuff over the years. And of course, you know, like anything else, I'm always learning. So just keep that in mind. If you enjoy the channel, be sure to help us out and subscribe to it, and then hit the little bell there in the corner. That way you get notifications, and you'll know whenever we drop new content. Until next time, we appreciate you guys, and y'all stay safe.